give the pizza to the customers, I first have to put this lovely cheese on the pizza. So I'm going to use my hands. I'm going to put it that little cheese over there, that cheese over there, that little cheese over there, that little cheese over there, that one over there, that one over there, that one over here, that one over here, that one over there, that one over there, that one over there. Okay, let's first put it on a plate. How many slices? 3, please. Okay. Rock. Ooh, yeah. Wait, I have to first connect it. Then I have to put it inside the box. And then when they're ready, I'm going to put it in. I'm going to stick it back together. The pizza. Okay, I will want to have my pizza now. Okay, now I'm going to put it on it. Now I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces. I can't wait to show you how it looks. Okay, 1 apiece and 1 more to go. Because this one has more flavor. You know, I'm just going to cut in. What? 2 pieces for you? 1 piece for you. I hope you liked your pizza. Come here for it next time. It will be $8. Here you go. Bye. I hope you liked my video. I'm going to do a cake one, so make sure you stick tuned to that one. Make sure you subscribe and like the bell and ding the bell for more notifications. Bye bye.